Hey everybody, and welcome to my channel. So today I thought I would do an experiment with you guys because I pulled out my Shakespeare Wood House, which is this beautiful blue, and I keep it inside a bag that looks like this. This is like a very soft, almost fleece, thick bag that it comes in. All the Shakespeare ones come in this, and so I keep it in here. So it's inside this bag, and then this bag is inside a drawer, so it's not near sunlight or humidity or anything like that. But when I pulled it out, I noticed the look of it, and it might be hard to pick up on the camera. I've tried to adjust the lights to see if hopefully you guys can see the difference. But it feels almost wet, and then when I swipe my finger on it like this, it's not that something comes off. It's kind of picking it up right there, but when I swipe my finger like this, it looks like something is coming off. Let me see if I can do that on camera and you guys can see it. I don't think it's showing up. So I'm not sure what is on this. I don't know if it's just the leather. It kind of looks like almost like a film that's on here. Let's see if it'll pick it up. Like at the top right here. Okay, hopefully you can see it almost looks like a shadow, like I said, or a film that is on here. And none of my other covers have ever done this before, especially right here. Do you see how it's kind of white? I don't know if there's no way it can be mold or mildew because, like I said, I keep these pretty protected in their covers inside of a drawer. So let me see, this is where I wiped my finger. Let me see if it'll pick it up right here in the top left hand corner. I don't think you guys can see that. Okay, so long story short, I am going to try something out, and this could go horribly wrong. Okay, so I think right now you guys can see like right here that the kind of white gradient that's on there. So like I said, please do not try this at home. I'm gonna try it because if it gets damaged, then I'm okay with it, that's fine. So I have these leather conditioning wipes, and I'm sure my diehard Traveler's Notebook people are probably flipping out at what I am about to do, so I do apologize. Okay, so I'm gonna open this up. Well, if I can't open it, probably should have done that off camera. And I'm gonna try to use this leather conditioner on it because oh gosh, have tried wiping it like I said, and that's not working. I tried cleaning it with the little duster bag that it came with, like just wiping it down, and that's not working. So I'm just gonna try this. If it goes wrong, then I am okay with that. Now, I think the only way for me to update you guys is to post in the comments after. I want to let this sit for a while, so I'll update you guys in the comments about how this went. But like I said, please, please, please do not try this at home. This is just me doing an experiment. Okay, I've got one out to find out if this will get rid of like that white cast. Like I said, it looks almost like mildew, but I don't know how it could be. So, like I said, last warning, guys. Please don't try this at home, okay? All right, so I'm just going to start on the front. I do have a tablecloth down, so I just don't get any of the oils like on my table. And I grew up, this is just a side note about leather. So I grew up with horses. So I do remember we had to clean our leather saddles in like a circular motion. So I'm just gonna try that, and we're just gonna see what happens. If the finish comes off, then like I said, I am okay with that. But I'm sure that this is not recommended probably anywhere. So we'll just see how it goes, guys. Let's just hope for the best. I know initially it is going to change the color, and like I said, I am okay with that. So it is just making it a little bit more shiny and glossy. I'm not using really any pressure. I just want to kind of wipe it, get some moisture back in the leather, And like I said, for my Die-Hard Traveler's Notebook people, I'm sorry if this is a no-no, because honestly it might be. I've never had to do this before, like I said, so I figured I would try it and we'll just see what happens. This also could be a result of the type of leather that this is. I'm not very familiar with all the ins and outs of leather care for traveler's notebooks, but like I said, this has not happened to any of my others. Okay, so right now nothing is coming off on the wipe, and like I said, these are leather conditioning wipes. It says it will clean, condition, and protect, and it's really made for furniture and boots, and it looks like on the front there's also bags. Okay, so this is the side that really got it for whatever reason, and this may not do anything, but like I said, I'll keep you guys updated in the comments about how this goes, and I will try to post some pictures to my Instagram as well with an update. If this has happened to you guys, please let us know so we can all learn exactly what it is and how we can fix it. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can tell, but the leather is darker where it's wet. And so what I'm gonna do is just leave this upright like that, and I am going to just let it dry. It's not in the sun right now, but I am going to close these blinds so it doesn't get any more sunlight, and I am going to leave it out so it can dry. So wish me luck, guys. Like I said, if this has happened to you guys before, or if you know why that was happening, let us know in the comments so we can all figure this out together. And like I said, I'll update you guys in the comments as well on Instagram about how this is going. Thank you for spending the day with me. I do have other videos that are planner focused, so if you like faith and planner related videos, please subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you won't ever miss a video, and I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye!